This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and should not be considered financial investment or legal advice. The content reflects my personal experience and opinions, and past performances is not indicative of future results. Investing in any asset, including CBEX, carries risks. You should conduct your own research before making any financial decision. I'm not a licensed financial advisor, and I encourage viewers to consult with a professional before making investment choices. Hi, I'm Williams. Welcome to CBEX, a platform where you can trade anytime and anywhere. It is fully compatible with multiple devices, ensuring seamless transactions in various scenarios. Background and partnership. CBEX was founded in 2015, and in 2017, ST partnered with CBEX to assist in its public listing. As part of this collaboration, ST established a fund company using CBEX guaranteed funds to provide users with maximum financial protection. ST's main focus is fostering AI development, which relies on user actions data through AI-driven cryptocurrency contract trading. Users can earn profits while CBEX benefits by contracting more genuine users. CBEX earns approximately 7% profit from each user's trades, 5% service fee on each user's withdrawals. ST is now active in over 120 countries and has gained significant tractions since launching in Africa on May 20th, 2023, with its membership exceeding 1.4 million users. ST's unique approach. ST and CBEX refrain from online promotions, instead relying on word of mouth and personal referrals. They believe that sharing experiences in person is more impactful and genuine than advertising. This also prevents large investment groups from monopolizing profits meant for everyday users. ST's mission is to help those in need rather than generating wealth for the already rich. CBEX is a fully compliant platform possessing all necessary certifications. The user guide guarantees. As a new user, you are assured full withdrawal of your principal and profits at any time if dissatisfied, except for ST bonuses, which will be deducted. The opportunity to experience the platform firsthand before making a commitment. Registration and app installation. How to register on CBEX. First, use a memorable username and password. Second, email registration is recommended, case sensitive. Third, if you don't receive a verification code, check your spam folder. Fourth, if still not received, contact ST support to request assistance from CBEX customer services. Installing the CBEX app. For iPhone users, first open Safari, log in and download the app. Second, go to settings, then profiles, then install. For Android users, first open Chrome, log in and download the app. Second, click to install, and if prompted, select more details, then install anyway. Withdrawing and depositing funds. How to bind a withdrawal address, for example Bybit. First, open Bybit. Second, click deposit, select USDT, choose TRC20. Third, copy the wallet address and paste it into CBEX withdrawal address section. Fourth, CBEX supports both TRC20 and ERC20, and users can switch between them. Fifth, to change an address, contact CBEX customer service. How to purchase and sell USDT on Bybit. Instructions for buying and selling USDT are available on the platform. How to deposit from Bybit to CBEX. First, get your deposit address from CBEX. Second, on Bybit, go to Assets, then Withdraw. Third, select USDT, choose TROC20 and paste the CBEX deposit address. 4th, click mass, then withdraw. 5th, deposited funds are held in CBEX exchange and must be transferred to trade to start transactions. 6th, be cautious. Each transfer from exchange to trade generates new trading volume. 7th, you can verify this in the transfer page or contact CBEX customer services. Take a look at this video in this presentation on how to purchase USDT from Bybit and how to sell USDT on Bybit.
Appear. And what this means for you is you are trading as buyer and seller almost directly. Bybit gives peer-to-peer traders, in this case buyers and sellers of digital currencies, a platform where someone who is interested can buy and someone who has listed their digital currencies can sell. They also work with escrow, and for this they lock the digital currency of the person that is selling, and until the buyer pays and both parties are satisfied with the transaction, that is when the digital currency is released. This way there's security and no one is getting scammed. To deposit, make sure you are remaining on this buy tab right here, then select the digital currency or coins that you want to get. You get to see all the trades that are available and you simply type in the amount you want to buy, say 100,000. You'll then see the orders that match your requirements. Some orders will show up as ineligible, which may mean that I cannot transact with this person, and this happens when you are either new to the app or you're a new user or you don't have enough trades, and not everyone can trade with you. They have a threshold of how much traders should have made before you can trade with them as well, so there's also those kinds of ineligibilities. To fix this, you simply click on filter here and click on show only eligible ads. Then we'll look for someone that we like their rates or that is online, or we like their rates and don't forget we like their terms. By default, you will always get the lowest ratings at the top, so no need to scroll down too much unless you're looking for something else. Don't just click on buy yet, click on the listing first and again read the terms. Some sellers don't like receiving transfers from certain banks, so you want to be sure of what you're seeing before you conclude. Once you click and you're okay with the terms, simply type how much you want to get from them in the digital currency or in the coin you want, and I personally recommend typing out the fiat amount to avoid any confusion. Click on buy, you will then see an account that you want to pay into, and once you've paid, you will get a deposit or the coin, the digital currency. The option is to sell or to withdraw. Simply click on sell. You will then see other currencies as well here, the amount, payment method, and you can also filter to show results that are only verified advertisers or eligible ads. And just like we said, and these are the ads that people will be willing to trade with you based on how long you've been on the platform. Once you click on a rate that you like, you can either enter the amount you want via the currency or fiat. Make sure to read the details and the terms of the seller in the description before you accept. Once you enter that, you can then proceed to sell. Make sure again that the name of the person that sends you some money matches the seller name on the app. The seller's currency will be in escrow, and only until you receive the money in your account with the similar name will you then click on release to release the currency or release your digital assets from escrow to the person that you're selling to. Once you receive the money and you click on release, you can then add the authentication code. If you haven't yet, you need to have
all funds deposited to CBEX are on the exchange by default. You must transfer them to trade before you can trade. Click on the asset page, transfer. Please follow the video step by step. When the funds are already in trade, you can follow the ST team to trade. When we need to withdraw funds from CBEX, the funds are currently in trading status. You only need to transfer them to the exchange to withdraw. If the trading volume does not meet the requirements, a pop-up window will appear, prompting how much trading volume you need to meet the transfer requirements. If you insist on operating without meeting the trading volume, a 20% handling fee will be charged. You can click cancel, continue trading, and complete the required trading volume before operating.
Trading volume and anti-money laundering compliance. All invested funds must go through CBEX transactions. Trading volumes refers to the accumulative amount of each transaction. Ensure trading volumes meet the amount transferred from exchange to trade to comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Be careful when transferring between exchange and trade to avoid penalties. Contact CBEX customer service to verify trading volume if needed. Account verification process. First, basic verification requires uploading your national ID number, name, or passport. Second, advanced verification requires an additional photo holding your ID card. Third, ensure that the ID card numbers match for both verification stages. Referral program and bonuses. To earn a referral bonus, you must meet these two conditions. First, the referred new user must deposit at least $300. Secondly, the deposit must be at least 30% of the referral's trade balance. You can accumulate up to 3 new users within 7 days to reach the 30% threshold. None of the new users should deposit less than $300. AI trading and hosting. Trading automation with AI. AI trading is based on hosting features which must be turned on at specific time between the hours of 12 noon and 1 p.m. UK time. AI executes 2 trades per day between the hours of 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. UK time. AI executes 1 trade per day. Transaction history of days after 9 p.m. UK time. Important trading rules. First, ensure funds are in USDT in trade. Second, turn on hosting at the required times. Third, funds must be transferred from exchange to trade before enabling hosting, or AI will not recognize the funds. Fourth, failure to follow these may prevent trading. Final note: CBEX and ST emphasize security, compliance, and user protection. Personal referrals play a crucial role in growth and trust. ST aims to empower ordinary users, ensuring fair and accessible trading. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to CBEX customer service. Final thoughts: ST CBEX is a simple, safe, and effective way to earn daily profits with minimal risk and a proven track record. It's an opportunity worth exploring. Remember, you must make a deposit to be eligible for daily profits and bonuses, as well as to access the Signal Group. Before I go, I would like to share my thoughts on ST CBEX as a copy trading platform compared to other trading platforms that use AI-driven systems to execute trades. I believe ST CBEX offer a more profitable experience. However, before you start your investment journey, be sure to invest wisely. Never invest your entire savings, borrow money, or take out a loan just to trade. Always invest only what you can afford to lose. It's important to be emotionally and mentally prepared for the risks involved. Also, don't let greed drive your decisions. Just because you are making profits doesn't mean you should overinvest. Manage your account wisely, grow it steadily, and always ask questions if you are unsure about anything. Lastly, if you find value in ST CBEX, you can refer friends and family who may be interested. By doing so, you can earn referral bonuses and increase your investment capital while helping others get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can never miss an update. Also, check the video description below for all the details on how to get started. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.